Hey boys and girls, the Ford rat rods have been sold. Today we're back on the 57 Chevy Bel Air project. It's her right there. I call her Elvira. Today we're going to prep to remove the old worn out 327 engine that's in this baby. It runs okay, but it's worn out and it's carbureted and I'm tired of messing with it. And it's got a turbo 350 transmission, 3-speed, so it don't do too good on the highway. Sounds like a 757 wanting to take off. What are we going to replace it with? Well, what we got over here is a 1986 C4 Corvette. I've already pulled the engine out. You'll see my other videos on that. It was a beast to get out of that car. We've rebuilt it. Got the bottom end nice and tight now. Ported the heads. Got a new comp cams. Mild performance cam in there. Give it a little more pep. And probably the biggest thing we did was the head porting and porting all this tune port injection, fuel injection system. Removed all the restrictions in there. Ported the lower intake out. Ported these runners. Painted it up nice and pretty. How you make horsepower with a naturally aspirated engine? You get it to breathe better. And Elvira's not a Clinton, so she definitely inhales. And after all this, she's going to inhale and exhale a lot better. We also got a ton of other upgrades we're going to do while we're got the engine out. All these boxes of parts all over the shop. In the back of the Easy Go, in the back of the Vet, ton of them. Everywhere you look, there's parts. We got rack and pinion power steering, got a vintage air, brand new air conditioning system, some Patriot headers. Gonna rebuild the rear end and put a limited slip in there, and got a new painless wiring kit. All the wiring is gonna be brand new in this car. Painless wiring. We're going to move the engine 3/4 of an inch forward to make a little bit more room for the HEI distributor. And what else? New transmission cross member somewhere over here. I don't know, maybe it's in the back of there. New fuel tank set up for fuel injection with a high performance fuel pump system. And we've got a ton of things. Also en route right now from Howell EFI is a brand new engine harness to replace, instead of using all this stock Corvette wiring that's all cracked and busted up, we got a brand new Howell kit without all the emissions crap on there. So it's gonna run like a beast. Also got a new computer and performance chip that's gonna go in there. This baby's gonna roll after that. Hey, and if we get bored, we got our cornhole game, yard Yahtzee, some tunes back there, and a beer fridge full of beer. Look at what my neighbors made for me. I got the best neighbors in the world. They're awesome. So we're about to get started. We're gonna prep, get this car up on the lift, start taking stuff off underneath, and get it ready to pull it out. Stay tuned.